Molweni parents. Good afternoon to everyone who's listening to the sound of my voice. Today, tomorrow, we are having a march esikolweni because into eyenzekileyo izolo, we were called to a parents meeting by the principal and the SGB concerning this thing yale rape yomntanam. And when we get there, the principal didn't even take 10 minutes. She left the meeting. She left us alone with that useless guy who's a chairperson of the SGB who doesn't even know his story. So we end up cutting the meeting phakathi Samba because it was useless, because the person esiye kuye phaya, which is the principal, ebengekho. So safoolish into bangaba kudlalwa ngathi apha. Uprincipal uhamba njani asishiye apha but uyayazi ba size kuye. Honestly, the principal doesn't even give a damn. Akayikhathalelanga yonke lento yale nto yalomntana morechiweyo. She doesn't even give a damn. She's doing what she pleases kwesa school. Now we just find out about tomorrow, because we are going there for the protest tomorrow. Now we are hearing from the kids about tomorrow there will be no school. So it means that the principal heard about tomorrow we are going there. But it's not gonna stop us. We're still going to the school tomorrow, whether he's there or not there. Because abantu esifuna into babayazi babe sisesikoleni bazawuyiva ibona bazabe bekhona pha. Abantu esifuna into bangaba ngomso babe khona pha. Noba yena netishara zakhe abakho. Eyona nto siyifunayo, we just want justice. Into bangaba eza tishara that are implicated kwi-case yomntanam to leave the school. That is all we want, including the principal. Lona upromoter izinto ezingekhoyo pha esikolweni, because he's promoting a lot of things ezirongo kwesa school, and akakhathalelanga bazali. That girl, that woman, she doesn't care about parents, which the reason why aba parents abasisizathu soba abe kwesa skolo. But today akayazi loo nto leyo. So tomorrow we are going there by 7:30. Siyacela into ba bonke abantu aba around East London, those who are able to support us tomorrow, please, can you guys support us? Sicela nabantu abazi i-medias, abantu abakwi-TV, please inform them so that tomorrow they can come to the school, because it's not going to be only the parents. I went to organize i-taxi association. They right now ndivela kubo ngoku, and they agreed to come tomorrow to help us, to support us tomorrow. So i-taxi associations is gonna be there, NGOs as around East London is gonna be there, and parents and other people, community yase Willow Park will be there. In fact, community yalapha East London yonke bazabe bepha to support us thina as parents ezihlukunyezelwe umntana kwesa sikolo. Phaya kwesa sikolo akukhathalwa, akukhathali izitishara, akukhathali. Kula meeting besikuyo, there was not even one teacher. Bengekho netishara eyi-one. I-parents meeting engena principal, engena tishara, enobantu abayi-2 be-SGB qha, kwagqiba kubizwe thina ii-parents ba masiye phaa kuloo meeting injalo. I don't understand it. So we decided into ba tomorrow we are protesting. We're going back to the school. Sizawubiza Department of Education. Sizawubiza, if this matter ayikhathalelwanga, we are moving forward. We are not going to stop. They must know into bangaba. Njema becinga fani banje baba ibilento yenzeke ebantwini abamnyama to black people, and they don't care, because the reason why they don't care, one, okoqala nje, when they are calling a meeting pie, they don't call the white people, they only call the black people to come to the meeting. But whites, the white people didn't, not even one white person was in that meeting last night. All of them, they were not there because bona they don't see the need to come to meeting yet, although ingabantwana be whites who are raping our children in school. Can you imagine? They don't come. They didn't come to the meeting. And so because they didn't come to the meeting, they won't know what we are talking about. The principal, obviously, in the SGB is going to email them the resolutions of the meeting and the minutes of the meeting, because they are white people. Bona, they cannot come to the school. Baze a meeting in your parents. I'm sure Bona, they are going to have their own meeting if tomorrow they are not going to have their own meeting as white people in that school. And that's exactly what is happening in that school. There is so much racism. And the worst part of it, that same racism is being done by black people. Guys, where is Mr. Malema? Where is Mr. Malema when something of this kind is happening? The racism, black people are the one who are promoting racism. Black people are the one who are promoting white people. Black people are the one who are giving respect to white people. But they don't respect us. That is exactly what is happening in that useless school, Willow Park Primary School. So tomorrow, all the parents who are in East London to go and support us. We will be there. As a Zochik, we are not turning back. We will not. We are going forward with this. They are going to give justice to our children. And abantwana phaya bayahlukunyezwa zitishara, the teachers, and including the principal, ne-SGB yakhe, they are all of them, they are abusing our children in that school. Bayaba abuse abantwana kwesa school, and that needs to be stopped. Ifuna ukustotshwa lanto bayenza kwesa school. It is very bad. So ndiyacela zonke parents tomorrow, let us be there ngobuninzi bethu. Please bazali, let us be there, all of us. If white people don't want to come, it is okay. Thina sibaninzi enough ukongaba siyenze la protest kwesa school, and we will do it. Thank you guys.